This video is to showcase the Generation Z grinding system with the double roller and spool feeder. For this system, we're utilizing a 1.5" or 38mm wide grinding wheel for our centerless grinding portion of it. Right now we're currently in a load sequence. So we're utilizing the double rollers to extract the ground wire and loading in with a single set here, loads the wire up to that eye, then wrap it up to the indexing eye to establish the 0 point. From there, the machine is grinding an easy grind. As you can see here, the red dot here indicates the wire grinding position. That tracks through the live sequence of where the actual grind is. You can also see your ram position, linear position, and how it rotating. The easy grind portion of this is a touchscreen segment selector. So if you touch on a different segment, that tells you what portion of the wire that you're adjusting. So as I can see here, segment 1 of 4, start diameter is 0.1, end diameter is 0.1, indicating it's a straight, starting at 0, going for 15mm. I select that first taper, start diameter 0.1, ending at 0.3. So very easy, touch the screen, make your adjustments on there if need be. If you need to add or subtract segments in there, it's simply a add or delete. Wires reference continues to grind through. Now this system here also has the ability to utilize a exit side unload gripper, where that gripping cylinder there would be up here to extract it out the exit side in the event that you had a 4th axis or a cutter on the machine. This one we're not currently utilizing that. We are going to use the double roller system. So we utilize the front rollers here for both loading and unloading. Then when we're unloading, we express the wire back to the secondary set of rollers, and then we'll bring back the unground portion back here, so we're never driving on the ground section of the wire. So we'll drive back, these wheels will open, these wheels take over. Once that wire has completely come out of the funnel here, it will then dump into the finished tray. The on-deck tray will then dump down into the active tray, and the machine will continue to run automatically. So there's the second rollers, dumps out, the on-deck tray dumps in, rollers activate, driving through for that sequence. Once that eye has been cleared up there, we're going to utilize the spool feeding system here. We're just going to pay out the wire up here to a indexing eye. Once the wire reaches that eye, it will initiate a chop. Then use the vacuum pickup to lift up, close the grippers on the wire, getting ready to move it over to the on-deck tray. Once that moves over, we have a strip cylinder which will flip it to the on-deck tray once that becomes empty after the grind cycle has been complete. So as you can see here, nice easy grind. Wire looks beautiful. Any adjustments need to be made, you would go right over, input your corrections, and continue grinding. Thank you for watching this video on the Gen Z grinding system with double roller and spool feeder.